Good morning and sliding into afternoon. I have my favorite peep here, Zoe and Nana Stampin. So she's hanging out with me today as we create our fourth alternative. But this Nana has exhausted all of her tags, right? Because I put them on presents, or we either made cards with them, right, Zoe?
Yeah.
So yes. But we still have some few leftover things from the kit, and we're going to incorporate some leftovers from our other previous kits, because it's always leftovers, and show you what we're going to create today, because we're going to get some small packages, because we still have 4 small packages to make before tomorrow to give us gifts for Christmas. Whoop whoop. So let's go down the hands. Let's Judy and I show you what we're going to be doing. So I already had these small gift packages here, which are great for either gift cards, a check, money, anything else you can stick in here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to decorate it from our scraps. And we're going to use our stamp from the North Pole. So these are actually leftovers from the North Pole, which I've gone ahead and stamped in advance. These are what I had left over after I got through making everything. This one is actually from the new kit that I've actually stamped. And these are for the new kit, and we will show you how to make those on Monday, because we are not creating for you on Sunday, Christmas Day. We're going to spend it with the family, but we will do it on Monday. So we're going to use those scraps. Now these are scraps from previous kits. This is really cute. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this aside because I want this to go around on Merry Christmas. So I'm just doing it to give myself an idea of where I need to stamp Merry Christmas. And the important thing is, right, as we're sliding into afternoon, people have to be sure to say hello, like emoji or something by Monday, whether it's here on YouTube, because we will be giving away door prizes on Monday, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
How many do we give away? At least, how many do we give away?
Yeah, 3.
3? Alright, so on this here, I'm going to stamp this one here. As you can see, I'm going to stamp this one a little bit higher than I did the last one. So I just use that to give me an idea about, so a little bit higher and to the left than what I did the first one. So they'll look a little bit different, but that's okay. And then the other thing I did here is I literally took my ink spot here and went around the edges here just to give it a little bit of a red look. And Zoe and I have done that before with some other colors, haven't we, Zoe?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So if this isn't enough color for you and a little bit more, then I would take the sponge from the previous kits. And hey, Ashley, I hope you got all your Christmas stuff ready to go. We're pretty much ready, except for these little packages we're making, and that'll solve all the rest of my Christmas stuff. So I'm using a sponge. This is from a previous kit. I don't remember the name of it, but it was one of those in the springtime. That I literally just cut it in fourths, and then I just dab in some color on here. It's just an easy way to add color if you want to. And then I'm gonna sit there and just give you an idea. So I now want to be able to put this on here and wrap it around the words Merry Christmas, and that's what I wanted to do. Now the way that I'm going to do this, I'm going to let Zoe put some small dimensionals on here for me as I'm talking to you. Think you can do that? Just put some small dimensionals, get those presents to the side, while I work on wrapping ribbon, unless you want to do the ribbon. You want to do the ribbon? Nah? Alright. So this is leftover from previous kits. That's why I always tell you, save the leftovers, save the scraps, because you can use them in the future, especially like me. Happy holidays, right? Oh, I'm ready. I am ready. The grandkids are ready. We're ready. So yeah, this Nana's ready. So I'm just going to wrap this around twice to give it some extra color, and I'm going to need to leave room for a bow, but I'm not worried about that at the moment because I can tie this and move my bow. Now I am going to have to undo this, right, to open the present or to sit there so somebody can get in here, or else even put a gift in here to begin with. So what I'll do is I'm only going to sit up there and put adhesive on one string just to hold it in place on the back, so that when you untie this to open it, or see if I can get this, do this live for you guys. Alright, so I'm doing it so that you got to be able to put the gift in here, right? And they got to be able to open and get the gift out if they don't tear in the box, right? All right, so let me get my bow right. So yeah, use this leftover ribbon. I really don't. I'd have to go back if you want to know which kit. I'd have to go back and look it up for you. Okay, so I'm just doing that for looks, right? All right. So Zoe got this ready for me here. So I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna put it up on larger dimensionals because this is not gonna affect opening the gift, right? But you want to make sure, since I'm gonna untie the string, I want to make sure. I was looking for large dimensionals. Let's see, Zoe. So you just want to make sure that you're not going to block the ribbon there when you untie it, right? So that's the one thing we want to do is make sure that we don't block from the top of the ribbon. So all we're going to do is put one up the top here. And we could put one in the center if we wanted to. And to the side. Right, Zoe? Because you want to be able to get to your money, right?
Yeah.
She says, if I'm getting money or a gift card, I want to be able to get to it. So we're just going to set this right here to the side. And this way I have no dimensionals behind there. This is very free. I can still move this if I want to. So see, if you didn't have your bow the way you want it, you can easily move it around. That's what I like about this. Let me get this one here. You never can tell. Zoe might get me a gift card. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah, stuff with money or something, who knows. Now, so however you want to place your tag, you're going to have to make sure to leave room for that. Okay, so I need to most likely lift this in because I didn't leave room for that. Or, hey, what if I use a paper clip? No, I'm going to go ahead and lift it for the moment. So I had these little gold paper clips I really thought I would want to use. Okay, so I'm just going to do this at the moment from here. So I can get this up. So you can gently lift that up. But then I might have to put another one there. So I've got from Santa. So this is some leftover bling that we've had. If you wanted to sit there and put a gold clip on here just for decoration, you could. I'm not. Might use it on the next one. But I have this leftover bling. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, lady. Alright, so I just want to add a little sparkle. Now, if Zoe was over here, she must have put sparkle over everything. Would you put sparkle over everything? Yes? Alright, so I'm just going to add just a little here and there, right? Alright. And there we go. We got just a nice little gift package that somebody's going to get. Most probably a check. I know a few people that are going to be getting a check because they didn't have a Christmas list. So there you go. That's just nice, cute, and simple. We can add a couple of snowflakes too. I did put some snowflakes here because I like the snowflakes. And for all of us are having cold weather right now, including here in San Antonio, Texas. So we don't have snow. However, it is 2 degrees outside. How's that? That's with the wind chill factor. Okay, Zoe, do you think you want more snowflakes or is one good enough? One is good enough? All right, so let's do the next one. So that is our gift package number 1. All right, the gift package here is, I'm doing this on this one with gold ribbon. How about gold ribbon? Here's a leftover. Most probably, I think, from last holiday season. Nice and gold. You like the gold or you rather I do green? I could do green. Gold? Okay. Not that gold is a girl's best friend because diamonds are, but hey. Gold is still nice, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Gold is still nice. And I'm not worried about where I position this right now because it's easy to slide and move it, right? It is. The main thing is for me to get that bow. Now, this may be more of a challenge, Zoe. Let's see. Oh, we got it. Ooh, that's a nice big bow, too. I like that. All right, let's just slide that baby up. Or to the side. I don't care which. Because I still got to be able to get my Merry Christmas here. But I am going to go ahead and put a little bit more. I'm going to use that sponge, see if I got any ink left. If not, I'll get a little bit more. I do like the idea of putting a little bit more red on it. What do you think? You like that? Okay. So we're going to do that. Now this one, we'll have to reposition the packages a little bit. Only because I stamped it right smack in the middle, which is okay, right? They don't have to be all exactly the same. Alright, so when I go to put this one on, our choices are, we can either put the packages really low down here, which, Zoe, I don't know how much of a challenge that would be for you to put them up there, Or I could even cut the packages up, right? Let me just cut the packages up. That'd be easier, wouldn't it? All right. So I'm just going to cut these off and cut them apart. So, I mean, that's the beauty of this, is you can do whatever you want. But main thing is save the scraps, right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this up on a dimensional because that'll be nice and cute. I'm just going to do a small dimensional. So like I said, this is just nothing but using our leftover pieces from previous kits. Now granted, some of these kits may be a little older than you think, but most of them are most recently in the recent year. I don't know, Zoe, I think I'm just going to put, wow, I don't really know what I want to do there. I'll just put it right there. It'll look like packages in the Christmas tree. Alright. And I'm going to put some bigger dimensionals on back, just like we did a while ago. And we're going to put them over here to the left. Then I just have some nice, cute little gift packages. Okay, now I think I do the Santa thing. You know what? This one here, see if I can get a paper clip in there. I would really like to clip that right there. Let's see if we can do this, Zoe. Zoe didn't know I still had these little gold clips because she might have taken them. What do you think? You used them for something. I don't remember what you used them for. I know you got a hold of them because I have my... see if I can get this on here. This is the chain that Zoe created with all those paper clips. Hello, happy holidays, Lindy. So good to see you guys. Merry Christmas to you guys, too. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to clip it on here. So I want to use these little clips. They're really cute and fun. There we go, from Santa. So Zoe will have to decide. Now I see it's in the way right here, but I didn't put this down yet, so I can just trim that off. Get it out of my way. Now I can take this off and put it on. So it's just whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat, right? I already know who these are going to. And they're not for Zoe, because Zoe already has a bunch of presents, but hey, doesn't mean I can't give her something else. But there we go. We're just going to stick it right there. It's going to have from Santa. And we're going to take a little bling. That is a big, big ribbon. Wow. She'll have to decide who it's going to go to with the big ribbon. I just caused that. Get this here. Zoe's going to have to decide who's going to get which of these little small packages. She doesn't control the money that goes in them, but she can definitely give her input as to who should get which box, right? Mm-hmm. There you go. So there we go. Oh, we want to add another snowflake, right? Mm-hmm. All right, let me add another snowflake. Again, we'll just do this with a dimensional. It makes it just nice, quick, and easy. And it's even the shape of a dimensional, so you could use a large one or a small one. I'm just using the small ones. And there's the one I was just looking for. That would be nice if my fingernails were done that way, right? All right, so there we go. So we have two small gift packages that are very easy to sit there and make and be able to put a gift inside of it. You get to control that dollar amount or that candy or whatever you want to put in here. But they're just quick and easy. And that's what we want to show you. So we hope you enjoyed that. We will be live on Monday, December 26th. We won't be live on Sunday, but it'll be at 4 o'clock p.m. And we'll be with a new paper pumpkin kit. And we'll show you how to make those boxes, all right? Because there's plenty of choices. I have sneak peeked the kit. Zoe has not. But we hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we look forward to creating with you and visiting with you as well. So remember, Monday at 4, Zoe and Nana, and we will be giving away door prizes. Be blessed. Look forward to seeing you on Sunday. And remember, it's all about creating, sharing, and giving. So go out there and create, share, and give. If you aren't following us, be sure to follow us here, not only on Facebook, but on YouTube, because we gather the names from both places to sit there and do our door prizes and all. All right. With that, bye.